In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account on Monday.com. Now, the first thing you need to do is ensure you're an admin user of your Monday.com workspace. Only admin users have the permission to delete an entire account. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, we'll start by accessing the admin settings. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture, which you'll find in the bottom left corner of your screen. It's typically in the form of your avatar or initials. Once you click on your profile picture, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Admin. This will open the admin section of your account, which gives you access to a range of options specific to managing your workspace. Once you're in the admin section, look for either the billing or subscription tab. These tabs are typically located in the navigation pane of the admin section. Click into this area, and you'll want to scroll down until you come across the option labeled Cancel Account or Delete Account. This is the section that will allow you to proceed with deleting your Monday.com account. Next up, we need to go through the process of confirming the deletion. Monday.com, like any responsible service provider, will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete your account. This step is crucial. It ensures that no one accidentally deletes data that they actually want to keep. You will be prompted to either type the word delete or click on a button that says yes, delete account. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on which version of Monday.com you're using, but both serve the same purpose: finalizing your decision to delete the account. Upon completing this confirmation, Monday.com will proceed to permanently delete your account, along with all the associated data. It's important to note that once you've confirmed the deletion, the process cannot be undone. Monday.com retains backups for a limited period as required by their data retention policy, but after the deletion is finalized, they cannot restore any of your data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can delete your Monday.com account. Remember, this action is irreversible, so be completely certain before you proceed. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions about using Monday.com or deleting accounts, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.